Okay, so here we have Broadway Limit USRA locomotives. Say USRA heavy Mikados 282. I have decorated them or decaled them for the Illinois Central. No, they are not technically correct, but I do not have the ability to print the sandbox that I need, or the ability to change up some of the minor detailing, such as the horn, bell, or I mean not the horn, the whistle, and the headlights. But I did the best I could, and we finally got the decoder back for the one. I think it was 1645, and so we're running them. They seem to be running pretty good, but I got their grand total of the last part of my train, darn it. There is 24 of these 38, 34 cubic foot coal cars, quad hopper cars, and then 2 of these are the thrall cars, Illinois 86-foot auto boxcars, and then the last one's a Greenville, which maybe you can't tell the difference. They're very subtle. And then the other one's an insulated car for refrigerated goods, but it doesn't have a refrigerator unit on it. It's just insulated, so you put cold stuff. And then the other car is a 40-foot boxcar, but it's a track clean car. And then the Centralia, Illinois Central caboose. And we've got them on, and we're only about 11% because I'm running a train plus running a camera here, so it's not easy, let me tell you. So I've got to watch the train too, but it doesn't seem to be that they're overpowering. I am watching the coupler connection here. Although maybe I could step up 1644 a little bit. Oh, as I say, saved by the bell. Well, not really, but sort of. So for some reason we have the red light in the block. I don't know why. I guess we're in the block, maybe. So time you add 24 plus 3, that's 27. Plus 2 more boxcars, that's 29. The caboose makes 30 cars I've got aboard this train. And we've got 2 locomotives to pull it, which probably really wouldn't need that many, but we are pulling a 4% grade here we're going to be coming up to. Right now we're going down it, so it's not a big deal, but I suppose I should be throttling these up. Broadway Limit, if you watch, here we are after getting that decoder from you. I think things are definitely much better. The coupler looks to not be pulling, or the tension in either way. It seems to be about where it should be. We have done some speed matching on the 1644. We brought it up a little bit on the speed. 1645 we tried, but due to twice losing any control function, we've had to basically wipe it and start all over because we was having trouble with the sound. But finally got it to work after taking it home and doing the blast mode programming that you showed me how to do, and it's been working pretty great. I think even the sound is pretty decent. Well, let's see how it climbs the hill with these cars. I hope it works. I don't see any reason. I mean, we're 30 cars, 2 engines, 15 apiece. Basically, we're lugging, so it should be alright. I mean, they're lugging too, though. Not slipping any that I can see of. And I mean, we've got the cars on. I've got more to add to it, but I don't know that I want to do that. We're going to give them a little bit more throttle. So I've got to try to be one step ahead of the train here, but I'm also trying to do the video. Well, I should say trying, we are doing the video, but doing my best to, wow, it was actually spinning there just a little bit. So we're going to make sure that we're lined up. We are, so we are set. Now I've got to go underneath the table here. So here we go. Because I've got to stay ahead of this train so that I can keep track of the switches. Crap. Here it comes through the bridges. Let's see, I think we're on the right hand side here. We're running at about 56%. We're not running at full throttle, but that's enough for the amount of cars. And our switch is thrown and set. So we shouldn't have any derailments this time. Oh, and we're dead. Yeah, I know. That's like the third or fourth time now. I don't know. It just don't seem to like that switch. For some reason, we're going to cut